All right, everybody. Hope you're enjoying the Technical Difficulties show. We're gonna take a short summer break while we work on the recipe show. So the recipe show is a show that we are basically gonna be revising some standard recipes that have been common in the industry for the last decade or so. We're gonna be changing some ingredients, and we're going to be improving the quality of the soup. And we're also going to be working on the next episodes of Technical Difficulties, where we introduce Jake Bain from Australia. Jake has a lot of really good technical information, a lot of math and science-based content. We encourage everybody to take a look at Jake's stuff. Link is up there. Take a look at Jake's stuff so you'll be prepared as we go into the next episodes of Technical Difficulties. Make sure you go back and watch the Smoke Show so you understand a little bit of the history of all motor and Honda drag racing. That will help give you a little bit more perspective as you watch the Technical Difficulties show. For those of you that think I have an axe to grind, I don't have an axe to grind. I'm just setting the record straight. Jamie's experiences and my experiences are happening in different decades. I don't know who's doing what, but I've seen it being done. I'll just leave it at that. One thing I'm gonna ask people to pay attention to is just let's see how many changes happen in all motor and import drag racing. It's been about a year since we've been involved with Jamie's program. We're already seeing the sands shift underneath his feet, underneath everybody's feet. So there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of action. And you know what? If we make a huge jump in all motor performance, it only goes to prove my point. So damned if you do, damned if you don't.